The invention of motorcycles opened the journey to freedom for human beings who have long been yearning for it. On the way to pursue freedom, HAOJUE Holdings Company Limited has risen strongly. HAOJUE Holdings Company Limited, HAOJUE Holdings, founded in 1992, is a diversified enterprise, mainly specialized in motorcycle business and also involved in other lines of business, such as electric motorcycles, real estate, and financial business. HAOJUE Holdings has a number of wholly owned and majority-owned subsidiaries and has more than 10,000 employees, with the total assets exceeding 12 billion RMB, and the accumulated taxation exceeds 15.7 billion RMB. HAOJUE Holdings has invested and established 3 motorcycle and engine factories in Jiangmen, Changzhou, and Chongqing. Total floor area is 1.51 million square meters, and the total building area is 720,000 square meters. The motorcycles produced under HAOJUE and Suzuki brands are deeply loved by customers around the world, with more than 34 million users worldwide. Since 2003, production and sales volume and its comprehensive economic results have been number 1 for 14 consecutive years in China motorcycle industry. HAOJUE brand have been ranking number 1 of China motorcycle industry in customer satisfaction and brand value for 13 consecutive years by authorities. HAOJUE brand value has reached 40.6 billion RMB. As a typical technology-driven enterprise, the company has established a high-level R&D team with nearly 600 scientists and engineers, including specific experts from Japan, Italy, Germany, and Taiwan. The investment on R&D is 4% of annual revenue every year. HAOJUE R&D Center has been identified as a National Enterprise Technical Center, and HAOJUE Laboratory has been recognized as a National Accredited Laboratory. A high-level multifunctional proving ground and test facilities were located inside the Research and Development Center. HAOJUE possesses many expertise and cutting-edge technologies in the field of electronic fuel injection, precise controlled carburetor, fuel evaporation control, electric motorcycle-driven control, and motors, new energy technology, and several engine platforms. HAOJUE motorcycle products range include motorcycle, scooter, and cub types from 50 to 250 cc's, with a total of 35 series and hundreds of models. 145 models approved by the state as high-tech products. HAOJUE is more honorable due to its extreme pursuit of technology. Quality has always been regarded as eternal theme of enterprise management. Making best quality products has been taken as its mission and belief by HAOJUE. The sole criterion for product development, manufacture, and shipment inspection is to meet customer needs, exceed customer expectations, and fulfill world-advanced quality standard. The company implemented total quality management and zero-defect management, introduced real-time SPC monitoring process, adopted world-leading quality control technology and test equipment, established a complete range of high-level professional laboratories and fully automatic online inspection system, set up a quality management system with full employee participation and full process control to ensure every motorcycle from the factory will have high-quality gene with 0 defects. The company introduced many international first-class equipment, implemented the total cost management, TCM, set up dozens of state-of-the-art intelligent production lines, and created market-oriented lean production mode, which can quickly and effectively meet the diversified and personalized requirements. Through sincere cooperation with IBM, SAP, PTC, Siemens, and other world-class enterprises, the company has established the leading ERP, PDM, HR, MES, and other information management systems in the motorcycle industry. that highly integrated the logistics, cash flow, and information flow, realized the integration with informatization and intellectualization, enhanced the company's comprehensive management level and overall operation efficiency. In order to provide best service for users, the company adopted Internet Plus mode, established high-level service systems throughout the domestic and overseas market. HAOJUE has more than 14,000 physical service centers, which covered more than 95% of the domestic market and radiated to more than 80 countries and regions, forming a precise marketing mode with no blanks in marketing, no blind zone in service. Through the full implementation of the consulting-type marketing and nanny-type service, the company strives to increase the domestic market share to 50% and the international market share to 5% in the next 5 years, allowing more and more users to enjoy the fun of riding HAOJUE motorcycles. Give back to society, return employee, has been a consistent social responsibility since the company was founded. Over the years, the company has been persistent with ideas of green development, safe development, and harmonious development, and committed to public welfare charity as its long-term strategy. HAOJUE Holdings set up a welfare enterprise for disabled persons and HAOJUE Charity Foundation. Billions in donations have been contributed to all sectors of society. At the same time, the company also provides generous salary and benefits for employees, creates a comfortable working environment, and built a multifunctional sports center where employees can fully enjoy the pleasure of leisure life after their work. A real hero cannot be washed out by great waves. On the way of pursuing freedom, the motorcycle industry is still growing after a century of development. In the domain of world motorcycle industry, HAOJUE people will dedicate to motorcycle products with consistent devotion. Adding to the enterprise spirit of success depends on effort, HAOJUE has raised the backbone of the China motorcycle brand.